This 2020 Tiffin Allegro Red 37BA is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Tiffin is 38 feet 6 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Dhurrie Beige Decor, Mocha Cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, self-contained, Skylight, leveling jacks, water heater, slideout, air conditioning, external shower, TV antenna, stove top burner, awning, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2020 Tiffin Allegro Red 37BA is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.